What's up, everybody? Shoot. In today's video, we're going to be playing Lab Monkeys. So, yeah. I recently just got this game, but yeah. We're going to check it out. Okay.
To be chill. Okay.
So right here. Oh, the stuff. Hunger. What's this? Oh, food. Bread again.
To the computer. Jump down.
There's some along with
Let's go. Here we go, another speed run.
Will you go in the bed with me?
Whoa.
Will you go in the bed with me?
Bro,
Can make their go in there.
Go wait, I was in the vents.
is there a monster in here?
I was in the freaking bracket.
Will you come in the vent with me?
What's there?
I'll go in the vent with
Oh,
you.
you. See in the vent. Come on, Nikki. Please, usually that one, I would be careful.
I don't care.
Oh, that's
All the intention of the monkey with the knives is going on to me. Why?
Actually beat the
Here's the thing.
Bro, why the Actually, get out of the safe area.
That scared me, but the three of them. Come on. Oh, what the?
How is he behind me?
Okay. Monkey has spawned. Open it.
Safe. I think. Are we in the safe zone? If we're in here.
I only need one more.
Where did you just come from?
Levers? Let me show you a lever.
Where's the monkey with the knives? Where's the monkey with the knives? Where's the monkey with the knives? Oh, there he is.
I just beat the school without dying. Insane.
That's a sign.
It's like I'm a cheetah with no mod.
Whoa. What do I do? Please like and subscribe to help me. Ba-da-ba. Da-ba-dee-bee-dee-bee-dee-bee-dee-bee-doo. Okay, teleported. Bunny's supposed to be here? Oh, whatever. It's a bunny. Okay. Yo, just ignore what you just saw and just okay, whatever. You made still like this. Oh, it's because of the bunny.
Hey guys.
Hey, just look at this. Dramatic film. Okay. Wait, it's the first generator. It's the generator. Okay. Need to be able to get to it. Get to it, okay. Okay. Yes. We did it. Now where's the second?
Now we are in the circus.
No.
What do we
What the
do?
hell?
Wait, is that you? Is that you from
Yeah.
But where's the bunny over here still? Oh, just go. Go. Shoot. Shoot.
This is just the
I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey. Yeah, that was me.
Hold up.
I know all the levers are.
My penis. Where the heck did everybody go?
Oh, bunny.
What?
I want to go.
I'll show you where all the levers are. But
Okay.
don't touch the floor, or else the monkey will get
Really just
attracted.
get tempted.
Oh,
Stand high on that like the school.
okay.
Guys, no one Good job. Follow my lead.
Can I go on this?
Purple, follow my lead.
Whoa. He's getting way too close.
Dude, I'm in lab monkey right now.
People, come on. Oh shit. There's a bunny. What the hell?
That's a monster. There's no levers in there. Not this way. Not this way. It's this way.
Lovely.
Over here.
Oh, shit.
Purple, right here.
Yo, I did it.
Yeah.
I need one more.
Let me guess. They're in the fucking fence.
Guys, I'm live streaming, so if you want to be in the video, come and see me.
Then now
Let's go to showtime. Guess what?
None of them are in the
You're
fence.
the
These are
I
vendor.
understand you're trying to entertain people, but you cannot be hanging around. It's just illegal.
Oh, okay.
I don't think he understands.
Oh.
He only speaks monkey.
Oh, bozo. He is a monkey. Showtime, dude. Let's go to showtime.
What is Sigma?
Purple, where are you?
It's a generator.
Purple, where are you?
I need to somehow parkour
I'm up
my
here.
parkour my way.
Oh, shit. Hold up.
Yes.
Okay, I'm good.
Guys, let's go that way. That way.
Yep.
Oh. I can't get down, fucking idiot.
I should have got the opposite.
Turn on the light. Did it turn on the light?
Turn on the lights, yeah.
Rum bum bum bum. Rum bum 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 bum.
hallway. Don't touch it. It will kill you. Oh, it's don't jump. I want
there.
to touch it now. Where are you? Purple.
The clown is right there as well.
Oh.
Yo, Green, where you at?
Purple, where are you?
I fucking died.
Purple.
That makes
Oh my goodness.
Purple up here.
Green, where are
circus.
you?
It's a circus. So
The last one is in there. Okay, you
I
ready?
need one more.
Go, 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 go.
Then I'll be done with this place. I surely have to get to this place.
Oh my goodness. Damn.
Better not be.
God, oh, man, I died.
I know, me too.
I bet it is. Just saying, I bet it's not in there. Blum, 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 blum.
This thing. Green, I'm on some balloons. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, let's go this way.
Creepy. Why did you put me in?
I'm going.
I will get you.
Where is purple? Purple!
No, he's gonna come.
Purple!
I got all of them.
I bet he's gonna come out through there.
Purple, where are you?
I got all the levers.
Gotta go. Go.
Okay, wait for me.
Okay. No, you're freaky.
I can't see. Where am I?
What the?
Okay, purple. Purple.
Yo, bro, I got
Scared.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I didn't know this game was that serious. It's a monkey game that you monkey around.
Oh my god.
I watched it.
Okay. Green, where are you at? Look at that.
What am I doing? Oh my
Green, where'd you go? Help! Help me! Green, where are you? Green, where's the cinema? Where'd you go? That one just like, where'd that kid go?
What is this?
Green, where did you go?
clowny,
Green, where'd you go?
clowny boy.
Oh, you go through this thing.
It got me.
Sucker.
What are you looking
Wait, where's the monster? The clown isn't. I actually kind of want him to be here. I actually really want the monster to be here.
Yo, where is he?
Where's my boy? Where's he?
Get on that. He's running in the wall.
Generator. Right there. In the second room.
Is there a monster? Today's sponsored by Scooty Toy. Ah, monster, monster! Oh my god!
Okay. Okay. Good, run! Run! Yes! Yes! Yes, finally! Wait. such a relief of mine. I have achieved victory.
Could you teach me how to play?
Amazing. Okay. Yay. So that's the end of this video, everybody. Now, bye bye.
Forgot why.